Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my go-to mommy makeup look. This is the makeup that I go for when I have time to get ready and when I want to feel good going out. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. So this is the primer. I use it to prime and I use it to set my face as well. Now, I don't use foundation anymore. I used to use foundation. I just didn't like the way it felt on my skin on a daily basis. If I was to go out to an event, I probably would use a foundation, but when you become a mom, you don't really have time to put a lot of things on your face. So I just use my Tarte concealer. I've been using these guys for I want to say a decade now. I tried using other concealers. They just don't work as well as this. They are thick, really good coverage, super hydrating. That's why you really don't need to use foundation. So the colors that I'm using are medium and medium sand. Use my beauty blender. This is great for dry skin. It really blends out your product so well without leaving it dry. And whatever I have left on my beauty blender, I just blend it the rest of my face. So after that, I can go in with my lighter shade, medium sand. I just do a little dot right there, just to brighten the look a little bit more. And I set my under eyes and my whole face, and I have been using this for so long, guys. I gifted this to all my girlfriends. It's the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finishing powder. Before I use this powder to set my under eyes, I make sure that the creases under my eyes are blended. Take my brush and I set it right away. Then I take my Kosas Comfy Cloud Set powder in medium. It looks like this. And I set the rest of my face. Really add that extra coverage to your face without having to use foundation. After I do all the powdering to my face, I use my all-nighter setting spray again to just set and melt everything together. I actually got gifted this bronzer. It's by Gucci. It's in Eclat Soleil in number 3. It looks like this. I take my contour brush and I just contour my face just a little bit. This is the Maybelline Express Brow in brown. Just fill my sparse areas. I go in with my blush. This is my new favorite blush. I haven't bought a blush for so long, but this is by Patrick Ta and it's in She's Blushing. So it has a powder and a cream. Take an angled brush like this. Then I start right here. I take the powder and I pat it. And then I take the cream side and I just top it off on top, so it gives you that glowy finish. And my last and final step, I line my lips, and then I use the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. The lip liner that I'm using is by MAC and it's called Soar. Top it off with my lip gloss. If I have a little bit more time, I take my bronzer and I use it just, yeah, that's it, guys. This is my mommy go-to makeup look.